Ever wished you could get paid before payday? You're not alone. Millions of us face that familiar struggle. Rent's due, bills are piling up, but payday feels miles away. Enter Beforepay, the app that's changing the game. But who's the financial powerhouse behind this revolutionary service? Let's dive in. Beforepay is essentially an earned wage access (EWA) platform. It allows employees to access a portion of their already earned wages before their official payday. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. But how does it work, and who's making it all possible? Think about it. You've worked hard, you've earned that money. Why should you have to wait weeks to enjoy the fruits of your labor? Beforepay understands this frustration. They've partnered with employers to offer employees instant access to their earned wages, giving them the financial flexibility they desperately need. Now, the burning question: which bank is the driving force behind Beforepay? While Beforepay itself operates as a separate entity, it relies on strong banking partnerships to facilitate these instant wage access transactions. These partnerships are crucial for secure and reliable transactions. Banks ensure that all transactions are processed securely and reliably, safeguarding employee funds. Regulatory compliance. Banks play a vital role in ensuring compliance with all relevant financial regulations. Scalability and reach. By leveraging the bank's existing infrastructure, Beforepay can scale its services quickly and reach a wider audience. Unfortunately, Beforepay doesn't publicly disclose the specific names of all their banking partners. This is likely due to competitive advantage. Keeping their banking partners confidential gives Beforepay a competitive edge in the market. Contractual agreements. Confidentiality clauses within their agreements with banks may restrict them from publicly naming their partners. However, we can try to uncover some clues. Technology integration. The level of technology integration between Beforepay and its banking partners is a strong indicator of their relationship. Seamless and instant fund transfers suggest a deep level of integration. Regulatory approvals. Banks involved with Beforepay must have the necessary regulatory approvals to offer EWA services. Regardless of the specific banks involved, the importance of strong banking partnerships cannot be overstated. These partnerships are the foundation upon which Beforepay's success is built. They enable the company to provide a reliable, secure, and accessible service to its users. The benefits for employees are numerous. Improved financial stability. Access to earned wages can help employees avoid late fees, overdraft charges, and the stress of financial instability. Increased financial control. Employees gain greater control over their finances, allowing them to budget more effectively and make informed financial decisions. Reduced reliance on high-cost loans. By providing access to earned wages, Beforepay can help employees avoid relying on expensive payday loans or other predatory lending options. Beforepay and other EWA platforms represent a significant shift in the way we think about and manage our finances. By giving employees access to their earned wages when they need them, these platforms are empowering individuals to take control of their financial well-being. As technology continues to evolve and consumer demand for financial flexibility grows, we can expect to see further innovation in the EWA space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.